Hello, this is Sharon Naraine coming to you here from the beautiful Sunshine State here in Claremont, Florida. And folks, I want to talk to you about this Impact Mailing Club. Okay, it is so simple. What you need to do is just get these flyers. All right. Well, first of all, let's back up. When you join the business, okay, with Impact Mailing Club, there are 4 levels that you can join at. Okay, once you join at whatever level, then the company is going to send you out your reseller rights so that you can be able to do what I'm doing. Now, once you get that situated, then what will happen is that, here it is, you will be getting leads. These are the leads. Peel and stick label. You have your, of course, your return address, right here, and your stamp. Folks, this goes into the mailbox. Now, once people sign up, see, I already have them, situated. I already have my cover sheet and I already have my the information that needs to go in here. Yep. Stuff it in and you just seal it down. Okay, folks, this is so simple. Now let me say this. See, folks, I have all of this already kind of, the address and everything is on them and my stamp. So all I'm doing now is I'm stuffing the information about the company and my cover letter, information about the mailing club and the different levels that you would join at. So folks, it is very simple. Now here's the deal. You can go to my website. I'm going to put my link down below. Go to my website and you can be able to see what the Impact Mailing Club is all about. Okay, folks, you can be able to see that the Impact Mailing Club, it's all about. Very simple. See, I have all of this already done. And all I have to do now is I have to just stuff them in the envelope. And folks, the Impact Mailing Club, it's a direct mailing program. Okay, you can do this offline. See what I'm doing here? You can do this offline. Okay, just put that in. And and just mail it out. Now, with the Impact Mailing Club, you can make commission as people sign up at whatever level. Okay, you will be making commission anywhere from $65 all the way to $1,000. Okay, folks, so that's how simple it is, with the Impact Mailing Club. And I am so grateful to the owner, Rose, who had put this company together, this mailing club. My goodness, folks, we have people, making 6 and 7 figure income by just doing that. How simple is that? How simple is that? Get your stuff, stuff it in the envelope, okay, and you peel it off the back of the envelope, and that's it. Okay, folks, now this is so simple. You can even get your kids involved. A lot of people, you have your kids, this is the way for them to earn money, doing chores around the house. Have them help you stuff the envelope. How crazy is that? We have so many kids People have their kids. They have the entire family involved with this direct mailing club. And folks, the money is good. As people sign up, you will be getting money, and it's a member to member. Let's say, for example, you will be making anywhere from $65 all the way to $1,000 in commission, and that comes directly to you. Folks, this, when you sign up, okay, when you sign up for this mailing program, what will happen is that you will receive, your kit is going to come in the mail from the company, all the information. You're going to get your reseller rights, you're going to get the brochures, etc. So again, folks, go to my website, which is fastcashwithsharon.com. Fast, F-A-S-T-C-A-S-H, with Sharon.com. Alright, also hit the bell so you will be notified when I do my video, and as well as if you can subscribe to my channel as well. Okay, I really do appreciate that, folks. Training is available as well as support. We do have a wonderful, wonderful Facebook group that we become like family. So folks, again, this is Sharon Naraine coming to you from the Sunshine State with fastcashwithsharon.com, and I shall see you in my team. Again, welcome to the fastcashwithsharon.com. Take care, folks. Again, peace out. Bye for now.